Good day everyone, my name is Mary Rose A. Ariendo and this is my presentation. I will be discussing the Hacienda Luisita Massacre of 2004 and the life of labor leader Rolando Olalia, who was tragically killed because of his involvement in the labor movement. Through their stories, we'll gain insight into the struggles faced by Filipino workers and the importance of continuing the fight for labor rights. The Hacienda Luisita sugar plantation is located in Tarlac province, owned by a powerful family. Workers had long complained about low wages, unfair labor practices, and unfulfilled promises of land distribution. In November 2004, thousands of workers staged a strike to demand better wages and the distribution of land that had been promised to them. Tensions escalated when the police and military attempted to disperse the protests, leading to gunfire that killed at least 7 workers and injured many more. The incident sparked national outrage, prompting investigations and renewed calls for genuine agrarian reform. It highlighted the imbalance of power between landowners and workers, as well as the dangers workers face when demanding their rights. Even today, Hacienda Luisita remains a symbol of ongoing agrarian disputes and the struggle for social justice in the Philippines. Rolando Olalia, or Calando, was the chairperson of Kilusang Mayo Uno or KMU, one of the largest and most militant labor federation in the Philippines. He was known for championing workers' rights, advocating for fair wages, safe working conditions, and the right to ununionize. In 1986, shortly after the ouster of Ferdinand Marcos, Calando was abducted and brutally murdered. His killing was widely believed to be politically motivated, aimed at silencing the labor movement during a critical time of transition in the Philippines. Calando's death galvanized the labor community, uniting workers under a common call for justice and protection of union leaders. He is remembered as a martyr who sacrificed his life to defend the right of the marginalized. His story remains a powerful reminder of the risks faced by those who stand up for workers' welfare. In looking at both the Hacienda Luisita Massacre and the life of Rolando Olalia, we see how deeply intertwined land rights, fair wages, and personal safety are for Filipino workers. These incidents reflect a larger struggle for social justice and economic equality that continues to the days. As students, researchers, it's our responsibility to remember these events and honor the people who fought and sometimes died for basic rights. Thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation inspires you to learn more about labor movements and social justice in the Philippines.